You wake up in the middle of the night. The room is pitch black. Your body feels strange. Wrong. Like it doesn't belong to you anymore. Your skin is burning. Like fire under your flesh.
Like someone lit a candle inside your veins.
You are sweating, soaking the straw bed beneath you.
The mattress is completely wet.
Your head is spinning. The room stays still.
The walls are moving around you. Outside, church bells are ringing. Loud.
Urgent. They don't stop. Someone else has died. Again. Another soul taken by the darkness. This is the third bell today. Maybe the fourth. You've lost count. People whisper about a sickness. In the market. At the well. Behind closed doors. They call it the plague. The pestilence. The great sickness.
Many names for the same horror. No one understands it. Where it comes from. Why it kills. Why some live and others don't. No one knows how it spreads.
Through air? Through touch? Through God's wrath? But everyone is afraid. You see it in their eyes. In the way they cross the street to avoid you. You try to stand up. To see outside.
To understand what's happening to you.
Your legs feel weak. Like they don't belong to you.
Like they are made of water. You look at your arm.
In the candlelight. The flame flickers and dances.
There is a dark swelling.
Right where your neck meets your shoulder.
It's the size of an egg now.
It hurts. When you touch it. When you don when you breathe.
When you think about it. Very badly.
Like something is growing inside you.
Like a demon trying to push its way out.
You remember the rumors. What people say at church. What travelers whisper in the tavern. Black lumps under the skin. Swollen and hard. Hot to the touch. They call them buboes. High fever. Burning from the inside out.
Sweating until you have no water left in your body.
And death. Always death at the end. Within days.
Sometimes hours.
You feel cold suddenly. A deep chill in your bones.
Like winter has entered your blood. Even though you are burning.
Shaking under the blankets. Teeth chattering. Skin on fire. You hear coughing outside. From the house across the road. From the house next door. From everywhere.
Many people are sick. More than yesterday.
More than you can count. The village is quiet tonight. No laughter. No voices. No children playing in the streets. Too quiet.
Even the dogs have stopped barking. Even the birds have fled. You realize something terrifying. The swelling on your neck is growing. And it's not just on your neck anymore. This sickness is the plague. There is no denying it now.
The truth is under your skin. The Black Death.
That's what travelers call it. Because that's what it brings.
Blackness. Death.
People say it came from far away.
From the east.
From foreign lands you've never seen.
From ships. Docking in coastal cities. Bringing silk. Spices. And death hidden in the cargo. From rats. Fleeing sinking vessels. Running through ports. Into homes. Into your village. No one is sure. And no one can stop it. The priests pray. The doctors bleed. Nobody survives. But it spreads fast.
Faster than anyone imagined. Faster than fire in a dry forest. Yesterday one man died. Old Thomas at the mill. Found face down in the flour. Today 5 more are gone. Their bodies waiting for burial. Lined up like logs in the churchyard.
Tomorrow it may be you.
The thought won't leave your mind. It echoes in your skull with every heartbeat. People stop leaving their homes. Doors bolted shut. Bars across the wood. Doors stay closed. Even to neighbors. Even to family.
Blood means nothing now.
Windows are sealed.
Shutters nailed tight. Curtains drawn. Darkness inside. Darkness outside.
But the sickness still spreads.
Through walls. Through air.
Through the spaces between the boards.
The priest walks through the village.
His robes lifted from the mud. His face pale as snow.
Praying for the dying.
His voice echoes in empty streets. Latin words nobody understands.
The bells ring again. A hollow, mourning sound.
It vibrates in your chest,
In your bones.
and again, before the last one finishes.
Overlapping. Constant.
Relentless. Soon they never stop, ringing from dawn to dusk.
From dusk to dawn.
Time measured in death. Carts begin collecting bodies.
Wooden wheels creaking.
Horses struggling under the weight.
Wrapped in cloth.
Whatever linen families could spare. Sometimes just a sheet. Sometimes nothing at all. Some are still warm, dead only hours ago. Some have been waiting for days. Graveyards are full. No space left beside the church.
The dead stand on top of the dead.
New pits are dug outside the village,
In the fields.
where crops used to grow.
Now they grow corpses. Mass graves. Bodies stacked like firewood. Layer upon layer. No names.
No markers.
You hear crying everywhere.
From behind closed doors. From inside houses.
From the pits themselves.
Families disappear overnight. Entire households gone. As if they never existed.
Neighbors stop talking.
Too afraid to open their mouths.
Too afraid to breathe the same air.
Everyone is afraid.
You see it in the empty streets.
In the abandoned homes.
In the silence.
And the plague is getting closer.
You hear coughing next door now.
Then the house after that.
Then yours. You leave your house. You can stay inside anymore.
The walls are closing in.
The air is thick. The streets are almost empty.
A few figures in the distance.
Moving like ghosts. Silent. Hunched. Shops are closed.
Boards nailed across doors. Goods left inside to rot.
No one to buy. No one to sell.
Markets are silent.
Stalls abandoned mid-trade. Fruits spoiled on the ground.
Meat crawling with flies.
Only the sick remain outside. Lying against walls. Sitting in doorways. Dying in the open.
Some lie on the ground. In their own filth. In their own blood. In their own vomit. Too weak to move.
Eyes staring at nothing. Mouths open. Breathing or not, you can tell.
You see black swellings on their necks. Purple and bloated.
Some have burst. Black liquid seeping out.
And on their faces. Under their arms. Between their legs. Everywhere the body can swell, it does.
You hear coughing everywhere. Wet. Desperate. Dying. Coughing up blood.
Coughing up pieces of lung.
A doctor walks past you. Slow. Deliberate.
His footsteps echo in the empty square. He wears a strange mask.
Leather and glass. Two eye holes staring at nothing.
A long beak filled with herbs.
To ward off bad air. Lavender. Mint. Rotting things to fight rotting things.
People call them plague doctors.
Walking death in cloaks.
They come when you're already dead. But they cannot stop the sickness. They only count the dead. They only point at the pits.
The carts return again. More bodies this time. The wheels sink deeper into mud. Into blood. More bodies this time. The wheels sink deeper into mud.
The horses are skin and bones. They are thrown into a pit. No ceremony. No respect. No prayers. Just the thud of flesh on flesh. One after another. Men. Women. Children. Babies. It doesn't matter anymore. Death is equal. No funerals. No priests to say the words. No families to weep. Everyone is already weeping for themselves. No prayers. God has forgotten this place. Or maybe he never knew it existed. Just death. Everywhere you look. Everywhere you breathe. Everywhere you step. Death. Your fever gets worse. Hotter than before. You can feel your brain cooking inside your skull. Your vision blurs. The world swimming around you. Buildings melting. People doubling. You fall to the ground. Your knees give way. Your legs don't work anymore. Nothing works anymore. The bells ring again. Louder now. Closer. They're ringing inside your head. Inside your dying brain. Someone is coming for the bodies. You hear the cart approaching.
Wood creaking. Wheels turning. You try to breathe, but your chest won't rise. You try to call out, but your mouth won't open. Everything fades to black. The bells grow distant. The world shrinks to a point. Then nothing. And you realize the truth.
Most people never survived the Black Death. And neither will you. In 14th century Europe, 1/3 of everyone you knew just disappeared. And now, you are one of them.